This is Rowan, Lars, Jay, Ryan, Gilles and me. And together we had one awesome idea. Let's go camp in South Africa.
Just a bitter man who wants back to go.
It's ready.
Yeah. It was easy.
It looks nice.
Really.
And we just found track of a hippo. Look at it. It is really fresh. It's like 20 minutes ago I could taste it, and yeah, let's go into the wild so we can find it.
We think he's over there.
I'm not a giraffe, I'm just
A wild hippo. What's a bit? Be quiet. Be aggressive. Let's get close. Let's get close. Oh, there he is. We are only 5 minutes in the safari and we spotted our next animal.
It's a lion
What the?
in its natural habitat.
What the?
We have to talk quietly because he can attack us.
Closer.
Alright. Sometimes you have to become the predator.
As well. The lion's fleeing.
And is it cold here?
It's really cold.
I'm gonna die today.
Yes, it's very cold.
Our last meal allowed. Our last meal alive. A few moments later.
Ik heb nog steeds mijn broeders om me heen die er
Freaking
moeten
cold
zijn.
here.
Sommigen zijn binnen. Vriend naar jullie. Shout-out Timmy.
Hey Jay! Are you alive?
I'm still alive, man.
Nice. What's up, man?
Son. We gaan ook ons.
It was a fucking stupid idea.